What's up, guys? Doing a review on this spotter scope. I guess we're gonna do the assembly. So comes in these parts. Basically what you do is just kind of, it's a little tight in there, but you know, get your fingers in there. Probably move that out the way. Maybe you want the thing facing the back, the stick, just so when you do adjust it, it's much easier. So there, it's adjusted. Pick the legs open. It's a little hard trying to do this, but there we go. And to like get it sturdy, basically just tighten the screw right here, the hand. And it's pretty stable. The sight, well, I will say this about the sight, that it's a little hard to look into it. You know, it has like a little fishbowl on the edges. It's dark. I mean, if you don't position your eye perfectly, you won't be able to see clearly. And comes with this bag. It's a good little bag. Has space. Has a little divider so you don't scratch the scope. So you can put the scope in the bottom and then the tripod on the top so they don't scratch and you mess it up. Comes with the lens cap. Slap it on there. It has one in the front. And then it has the little sunshade, which is pretty accessible. You know, you can bring it out so you can get the glare out from the sun. You just put the cap back on there. And here's the phone mount. I don't use it. You can, and I've tried it, but it does, once you put it on here, it brings the weight down from your phone. Like if you have like a pretty heavy phone or a big phone, like I have the iPhone Max, I mean, it brings the weight down and then you have to readjust it. And no matter where you adjust it, it usually does not position to where you're pointing, so you gotta retry to like play with it. But I mean, I don't use it, but maybe you guys might like it. Yeah, but other than that, I mean, up to 100 yards, you know, you can see really clearly. I haven't pushed it past 100 yards, so I couldn't, you know, tell you how good it does past that. But other than that, I mean, it's a pretty good sight. I mean, it gets the job done for those range days or whatever you're trying to use it for. And yep, that's it.
Look at that big nose. Wow, look how fast it's moving.
How fast it actually travels.
I can't remember that.
2,000.
The wind's blowing.
That's why the moon's moving. The wind's blowing it.
A bird! A bird! A bird just flew in the moon! Look at that smiley face. 1 minute, 23 seconds have passed. Wow.
What we need to do is catch it when it gets full. You know how it comes up at the end of the street here? And it's like huge?
Yeah, that would be fun.
We need to catch it then.
Wow, I'm going to post this on Facebook.
I'm sure everybody's going to be absolutely thrilled. They're like, oh, God.
Yes,
More
people
Darby's,
will appreciate this,
Darby's
right?
birds, now it's the moon. Who knows what it'll be next?
Oh my gosh. That's amazing. I had no idea that it's moving that quickly in real time.
Memory.
Wait, why don't I have any memory?
On your phone.
Oh. 2 minutes, 45 seconds.
Okay, Swansea Barnsley. Swansea are 1 up. I think they'll win this one 2-1 today and go through. Barry.